When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, replacing your doors might not be the first upgrade that comes to mind, but it should be. In Frederick, where seasonal weather fluctuations can range from chilly winters to hot, humid summers, an outdated or poorly performing door can be a silent energy drainer. Here's why investing in a door replacement can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, energy bills, and overall performance. Modern doors offer better insulation than older doors, especially those made from wood or installed decades ago, often lack the insulation capabilities of today's models. Over time, materials can warp, crack, or develop gaps, allowing cold or hot air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This forces your HVAC system to work harder year-round. Newer energy-efficient doors are typically constructed with insulating cores, weather stripping, and tight-fitting frames. Many come with polyurethane foam insulation, energy-efficient glass panels, and thermal breaks to minimize heat transfer. This high level of insulation reduces energy loss and keeps indoor temperatures stable, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. Preventing air leaks and drafts. One of the most common sources of energy loss in homes is air leakage around doors. In Frederick's variable climate, this means warm air seeps in during the summer and cold air sneaks through in the winter. Even small gaps can add up to substantial energy loss. Modern replacement doors are designed with advanced sealing technology. Features like magnetic weather stripping, multi-point locking systems, and compression gaskets work together to create an airtight seal. This not only keeps your indoor climate consistent but also reduces drafts that make your home uncomfortable. Energy-efficient glass options. Many homeowners today opt for doors with glass inserts for aesthetic and lighting benefits. But older glass panels, especially single-pane ones, are notorious for poor thermal performance. They can act like open windows, allowing energy to escape. New replacement doors in Frederick often come with double or triple pane glass, filled with inert gases like argon or krypton. Low-E coatings reflect heat, keeping interiors cooler in summer and warmer in winter. These upgrades significantly reduce heat transfer, cut down on UV exposure, and contribute to lower energy bills. Lower utility costs. Energy efficiency and cost savings go hand in hand. When your door is properly insulated and sealed, your HVAC system doesn't need to run as often or as long to maintain the desired temperature. This reduced strain on your system translates directly into lower monthly utility bills. In Frederick, where homeowners deal with both heating and cooling demands throughout the year, door replacement can help mitigate energy spikes during peak seasons. Over time, these savings can add up to offset the cost of the door itself, boosting overall home comfort. Beyond the energy savings, a high-quality door replacement adds to your daily comfort. No more chilly drafts near the front entryway or excessive heat in rooms facing direct sunlight. You'll notice a more even temperature throughout your home, fewer hot or cold spots, and better indoor air quality thanks to improved sealing. This comfort upgrade also increases the value of your home, an important factor if you're considering selling. Energy-efficient improvements are attractive to potential buyers and often boost a home's marketability. Final thoughts. If your doors are older, showing signs of wear, or just not keeping up with Frederick's climate demands, replacing them can be one of the smartest home upgrades you make. Not only will you enhance your home's aesthetic appeal and security, but you'll also enjoy better insulation, fewer drafts, and tangible energy savings year-round. Door replacement isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Make the switch and start reaping the benefits of an energy-efficient home today.